stands against indifference. Hush for the people who were silenced.
Through will and blows, did we forget our goal?
We will fight if it's the will of many.
2, 3.
As sovereigns, lavish in gold.
Our people's stories weren't to be foretold.
Mock and bruise, people paid for the freedom we abuse.
So why stutter in silence with our voices born free?
The abuse of man should not be at its peak.
I have a dream that will not end.
What's beside us, asking what kind of fear is slavery? Partners and king, can we not afford to mend?
Should we cause a human death, we make ourselves small.
Should we coldly take our gaze away, indifference will grow in us all.
If we build barriers with our words, then we will stand behind them.
When we stop rejecting, we should accept and enlighten.
And when the time comes, we may see the day our development goes anew.
For our children's future,
We must learn to fight.
Lying of abuse that remains inside.
someone waits at the platform of our attention.
We miss their call. Who knows what they will.
When a child of culture is made fun of for the way they speak, who will know when they send their language away?
To the worker who is judged by state, don't we know they are weary themselves to work beneath thick and thin?
If a neighbor is shunned for the loving history they hold, the street will take its teeth and condone.
If we do nothing, nothing will do us all.
We must call out the harm of discrimination.
We will break the silence of the heavy devastation.
We will warm the horrors and chills of indifference.
In our fight, we will push through its malice.
We could be the first welcome.
We could be the last apology.
But we could be the bridge that steps everyone forward.
Real sins of the people that pass.
People who are danced to the shouts, beckoning our beloved.
The
Countless shouts that beg to be taken.
In the event that you may have ever been forsaken,
Do not shame yourself for their poison.
If you have ever been afraid, we will stand with you to carry the currents of their storm.
Never forget that it is the strong that holds.
The future knocks, waiting at the door. Time and time, it has gone.
Is it not a sign to face yourselves and move on?
we should help to change.
We should learn to say, come.
May we make room. Room will make us.
That is the truthful course in our history. We must not repeat it.
So long as we face the person instead of the rumor, will we beckon the false.
And as we celebrate the fruits of our past sorrow, it is our dignity to withhold.
For the times we measure worth by race, we had miscounted the heart for face. But when we ought to measure worth by their character, must it be the time we unite to fight?
If not today, then when?
If not our voice, whose?
If not together, how?
We can be the ones who can stay.
We can be the ones who speak.
We can be the ones who learn.
We will
Be the ones who fight.
We will not rank humans on a ladder.
We will not trade for numbers.
We will not view empathy for weakness.
We will demolish that barrier.
If you stumble,
We will assist.
if you fall,
We will live.
If you speak,
We will listen.
if you dream,
we will build.
if tomorrow asks what we did today, we will say, we knock louder than the noise. We look longer than a glance. We chose the person over our comfort, and the rails did not pass us by. We will not pass by.